Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is supervision. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what is the meaning of supervision? Who is a supervisor? A supervisor, in simple terms, is a person who is more knowledgeable and more experienced than you, and who teaches you how to perform a task appropriately. That is known as a supervisor. A person who is more experienced and more knowledgeable than you, and who teaches you how to perform a particular task efficiently. That is known as a supervisor. So the responsibility of a supervisor is to train its employees effectively so that they can perform their task in a proper way, and that can bring desired results for the organization. This is the task of supervisor. A supervisor has to monitor all the time that what right and wrong steps the team members are taking. If they are doing something right, they must be appreciated. If they are doing something wrong, they must be told the right way of doing the task. This is the job of supervisor. Along with that, a supervisor should also motivate its employees in whatever direction they want to move. Sometimes supervisor has to decide that what is the inbuilt talent of each member of his team. And depending on that, he should assign tasks to different members of the team. What a person can do efficiently, relevant task should be provided to that person by the supervisor. This is also the responsibility of supervisor to find out that what different categories of talent the team members are having, and then motivate them in that particular direction, so that when the employees start working in the direction of their talent, definitely they will bring good results to the organization. So this is the responsibility of supervisor to find out that how talented the team members are. So this is the real responsibility of a supervisor. But sometimes supervisors are autocratic. Sometimes supervisors, they are highly dominant. And instead of guiding their juniors in a proper way, they try to prove themselves superior to their juniors. There is an ego clash kind of thing, ladies and gentlemen. They are so egoistic that they always try to prove their supremacy above their juniors. They forget that they have a responsibility to groom their juniors. So instead of grooming their juniors in a proper direction, they start hating their juniors. They start misbehaving with their juniors. They always try to humiliate their juniors in front of everyone just to prove their supremacy. They humiliate their juniors every time they are only involved in finding faults in their juniors, instead of motivating them in right direction. And even if some junior has made a mistake, instead of highlighting that mistake, they should try to rectify that mistake. They should try to tell the juniors that what they should do so that the same mistake should not repeat again. But they make it an issue. One single mistake and they make it an issue, and every time they try to humiliate their juniors because of one minor mistake of theirs. Just because of one minor mistake, they keep humiliating the junior every time. In corporate parties, in team events, they always try to defame their juniors in front of everyone. Humiliating people has become their nature. So this is not the real characteristic of a supervisor, ladies and gentlemen. Supervisors should not humiliate their juniors. Supervisors should not make their juniors feel low. Instead, they should try to uplift real qualities of their juniors. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many tasks happening inside the organization. Now, this is the responsibility of a supervisor he should try to find out that what are the independent characteristics of each member of the team. Now, collectively, team members are working in a common direction, but still, as individuals, we are having our own specific characteristics. Some of them are good in speaking English. Some of them are good in accounts. Some of them are good in finance. Some of them are good in marketing. So if the team is full of large number of people who are experts in different type of domains, the team leader should always try to utilize individual characteristics of each team member for the upliftment of the organization. Instead of humiliating juniors, try to utilize individual characteristics of your juniors. If you do this, your industry will gain more and more profit, and that employee will gain more job satisfaction. So this is the real task of supervisor, ladies and gentlemen. The real task of supervisor is to motivate, not to humiliate. So that's all for today. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer, BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.